A lot of people have been asking me whether these will fit either a Ducato 2005, Transits, VWs, etc, etc. Only thing I can say is this is how you measure the work. The distance, the maximum distance of these is 28mm. Sorry, from there, the front of this, right to the back. Now this is with both packers. There's two spaces at the back here, so 28mm. So the distance from there to this is 28mm. If it's any more than 28mm, these won't fit. If it were any more than 28mm, the distance from there to there, this turnkey would not turn. It'd hit this. You know, you understand? Mine here is very tight, but it works. You know, but that's because of this material that I've put on. Yeah, so if you're thinking of buying an and you want to know if they'll fit your van, the distance from there, where the frame is of the door, to the edge of your trim has to be no more than 28mm, because that's the distance from this, from the beginning of this right up to the back. It's 28mm. So there you have it.